In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform keyframe animation in Clipchamp. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a complete beginner, these steps will guide you through the process with ease, allowing you to create smooth transitions for your videos. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to clipchamp.com. If you haven't already, click on Sign In at the top of the page. Here you'll see the option to continue using various platforms, but for the sake of simplicity, go ahead and click Continue with Microsoft. Follow the prompts to select your Microsoft account. This login method is not only quick but also secure, letting you access the features of Clipchamp in just a few clicks. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Clipchamp homepage. Look for the option to create a new video and click on it. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. After opening the editor, the next step is to import your media files. You can do this by clicking on Import Media. A window will pop up allowing you to drag and drop your video file directly into the Clipchamp editor. This straightforward method ensures your media is within easy reach and ready to edit. Now let's focus on applying keyframes for animation. In the timeline, locate the spot between your two video clips where you'd like to insert a transition. Click on Transition at the top of your workspace. A selection of transitions will appear. Take your time to browse through the options and choose a transition that best fits your project's aesthetic. Once you've made a selection, simply drag and drop it between the two video clips. This action links the clips seamlessly, enhancing your video's flow. With the transition in place, you can customize it further by clicking on Transition again, this time on the left side of the editor. This opens up more editing options. Here, you'll be able to adjust the duration of the transition, tailoring it to the exact feel you want. Play around with the timing until you achieve the perfect blend between your clips. The duration can significantly impact the viewer's experience, so feel free to experiment with different lengths. By following these steps, you've successfully added keyframe animation to your video in Clipchamp. Keep experimenting with different transitions and durations to see what works best for your projects. With practice, these animations can dramatically improve the quality and engagement of your videos. Thank you for tuning in and happy editing.